Study vocabularies of races. Number 1, Museum Saramati. Number 2, Historical Museum Saramati Pravatasa. Number 3, Famous Museum Saramati Labai Labai. Number 4, Popular Penijum. Number 5, Take Notes Got Nam. Number 6, Important Information for Mean Samkan. Number 7, Take Pictures Thought Group. Number 8, Gat Chamam. Number 9, To be impressed by historical work Chaparam Nangkangi. Conversation about a museum. Conversation about a museum. សន្ទនាអំពីសារមន្ទីរ What types of museum is popular in your country? What type of museum is popular in your country? តើសារមន្ទីរប្រភេទណាដែលពេញនិយមនៅក្នុងប្រទេសរបស់អ្នក There are many types of museums, but the most popular are historical museums. There are many types of museums, but the most popular are historical museums. មានសារមន្ទីរជាច្រើនប្រភេទប៉ុន្តែការពេញនិយមបំផុតគឺសារមន្ទីរប្រវត្តិសាស្ត្រ What is the most famous museum in your country? What is the most famous museum in your country? តើសារមន្ទីរណាដែលល្បីជាងគេនៅក្នុងប្រទេសរបស់អ្នក That would be the British Museum located in London. That would be the British Museum located in London. នោះនឹងជាសារមន្ទីរអង់គ្លេសដែលមានទីតាំងនៅទីក្រុងឡុង What's special about it? What's special about it? តើមានអ្វីពិសេសអំពីវា I'm impressed by its large amount of historical art and cultural work. I'm impressed by its large amount of historical art and cultural work. ខ្ញុំចាប់អារម្មណ៍នឹងការងារប្រវត្តិសាស្ត្រសិល្បៈនិងវប្បធម៌ដ៏ច្រើនរបស់វា How many times have you visited that museum? How many times have you visited that museum? តើអ្នកបានទស្សនាសារមន្ទីរនេះប៉ុន្មានដងហើយ I have visited the museum twice. I have visited the museum twice. ខ្ញុំបានទៅទស្សនាសារមន្ទីរនេះពីរដងហើយ What do you usually do when visiting a museum? What do you usually do when visiting a museum? តើអ្នកធ្វើអ្វីជាធម្មតានៅពេលទៅទស្សនាសារមន្ទីរ I usually listen to the tour guide and take notes about important information. I usually listen to the tour guide and take notes about important information. ជាធម្មតាខ្ញុំស្ដាប់មគ្គុទ្ទេសក៍ទេសចរណ៍ហើយកត់ចំណាំអំពីព័ត៌មានសំខាន់ៗ Are you allowed to take pictures there? Are you allowed to take pictures there? តើអ្នកអនុញ្ញាតឲ្យថតរូបនៅទីនោះទេ No, the guards did not allow us to bring the camera in. No, the guards did not allow us to bring the camera in. ទេឆ្មាំមិនអនុញ្ញាតឲ្យយើងយកកាមេរ៉ាចូលទេ How did you feel after visiting there? How did you feel after visiting there? តើអ្នកមានអារម្មណ៍យ៉ាងណាដែរបន្ទាប់ពីបានទៅលេងទីនោះ The overall experience was fantastic, and I learned so many things in just a few hours. The overall experience was fantastic, and I learned so many things in just a few hours. បទពិសោធន៍ទាំងមូលគឺអស្ចារ្យណាស់ហើយខ្ញុំបានរៀនអ្វីៗជាច្រើនក្នុងរយៈពេលតែប៉ុន្មានម៉ោងប៉ុណ្ណោះ What do you think is the importance of museums in history? What do you think is the importance of museums in history? តើអ្នកគិតថាសារមន្ទីរមានសារៈសំខាន់អ្វីខ្លះក្នុងប្រវត្តិសាស្ត្រ? Museums are an integral part of any country's history and they keep history alive. Museums are an integral part of any country's history and they keep history alive. សារមន្ទីរគឺជាផ្នែកសំខាន់មួយនៃប្រវត្តិសាស្ត្ររបស់ប្រទេសណាមួយ ហើយពួកគេរក្សាប្រវត្តិសាស្ត្រឲ្យនៅរស់ Study vocabularies of phrases. Number 1 Museum សារមន្ទីរ Number 2 Historical Museum សារមន្ទីរប្រវត្តិសាស្ត្រ Number 3 Famous Museum សារមន្ទីរល្បីល្បាញ Number 4 Popular ពេញនិយម Number 5 Take notes កត់ចំណាំ Number 6 Important information ព័ត៌មានសំខាន់ Number 7 Take pictures ថតរូប Number 8 Guard ឆ្មាំ Number 9 To be impressed by historical work ចាប់អារម្មណ៍នឹងការងារ Thank you